Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Carlos and Silva.
It's Martha.
Martha.
Parts regular?
Perfect.
Pardon?
How far should I squeeze?
That's fine. Well, it takes 11 sequence from here to your brain. And very rapidly,
geez, I'm feeling it.
You go, but I'm going to do it slowly.
Oh my goodness, I'm feeling
For
it.
safety
And,
purposes.
a lot of those things.
Have you consulted with Dr. Laura to get her opinion?
Yeah.
What does Dr. Laura say?
Yeah.
Well, it takes 11 seconds from here to your brain. Well, it takes 11 seconds from here to your brain.
Carlos.
Hand me the document.
Carlos. This is Sylvia, the other assistant.
Sylvia.
I'm worse than Dr. Jackson. I'm sorry, this is Angela. Carlos, we're better at surgeries than we are at remembering each other's names.
Hey, Mikey, I think he likes it. You like some more? Oh, yes.
Stand up gradually because you're going to see it every week. He just, I don't think he's going to make it up. Okay, can you stand up? Okay, open your eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes. That's it. Now lock your legs, lock your legs. Okay, now stand up straight, stand up straight. Lock your legs, lock your legs, lock your legs. Stand up nice and straight, but open your eyes. Lock your legs, that's it, lock your legs. Lock your legs, stand up, open your eyes, look straight ahead. Lock your legs, lock your legs, lock your legs. You gotta lock your legs, because if you fall, we fall. We're almost there.
There you go.
I feel retarded.
Feel retarded.